This is a 2008 Ford F-Series. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 6.4-liter V8. Features include an off-road package, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a CD player, leather seats, a trailer hitch receiver, chrome Nerf bars, an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 52,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.